viewers, welcome to our video where you will know today most popular Shiva temples in India that will take you back in time. 20 most popular Shiva temples in India. Shiva, the supreme power according to the Hindu religious beliefs, has played an important role in the formation of Indian culture. Known as Shiva or Mahadev in the northern part of the country and Thillai in south, the deity is considered among the three main energies behind the formation of this universe, mostly represented in mythologies as a yogi or a peaceful entity. Shiva is also described as a first deity in insights religious scriptures in the form of Bhairava or Nataraja. From Kashmir to Kanyakumari and Saurashtra to Assam, he has been worshipped in different forms as the destroyer of evils and rescuer of the innocents. Amarnath Temple, Jammu and Kashmir, a religious tour in India that needs no introduction among the Indians. Amarnath takes spiritual tourism in India to a different level. Located in the state of Jammu and Kashmir in India, this temple is perched at a height of 3,888 meters in a hallowed cave known by the name of Lord Amarnath. The main attraction of this religious site is the naturally appearing ice lingam of Lord Shiva, which is formed once in a year. The yatra leading to Amarnath is considered very precious and needs a lot of physical and mental strength to complete, as it passes through some of the rugged terrains of Kashmir and one needs to walk long way. Shore Temple, Tamil Nadu, located on the shore of Bay of Bengal in Mahabalipuram. Shore Temple is a specimen of the temple style of 8th century AD. Built of huge blocks of granite, the temple constitutes a significant part of the temple complex of Mahabalipuram and has been enlisted as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is also one of the oldest stone temples of South India. The presiding deity of the temple is Lord Shiva, though one can see a huge statue of Lord Vishnu in reclining position in the temple complex, so the travelers trying to taste the architectural genius of South India should go and visit the temple. Lingaraj Temple, Odisha, an exclusive specimen of Kalinga architectural style. Lingaraj Temple should be added to the list of must-see temples in India for the exclusive work of art it depicts, dedicated of Lord Harihara, an incarnation of Lord Shiva. The temple is believed to be constructed by the kings of Soma Vamsi dynasty and later modified the rulers of Ganga dynasty. The temple is made of sandstone and laterite and is surrounded by several other small shrines dedicated to other deities. Shiva is worshipped here as Tribhuvaneshwara and his consort is worshipped as Bhuvaneshwari. Lingaraj Temple is one of the oldest temple in the Bhuvaneshwara city of Odisha. Koti Lingareshwara Temple, Karnataka, literally the temple of around 1 crore number of Shiva Lingam. The Koti Lingareshwara Temple is located in Kamasandra village of Kolar district. The main attraction of this temple is the huge Shiva Lingam, which is around 33 meter tall. Nandi, the mount of Lord Shiva, is around 11 meter tall. The Shiva Lingam found in the temple is counted among the highest known Shiva Lingams in the world. Daksheshwara Mahadev Temple, Haridwar, Uttarakhand. About 4 kilometers from Haridwar, Kankhal, a small town, is famed for its temple of Daksheshwara Mahadev. The temple is named after Daksha Prajapati, who was the father of Devi Sati, an incarnation of goddess Durga. The temple was mainly constructed by Queen Dhankor in 1810 and later renovated in 1962. The temple is designed in Nagara style. Mahashivratri is the best time to see the vibrant face of this temple. Annamalayar Temple, Tamil Nadu. One of the Panchabhuta sthals found at the base of Annamalai Hills in Tiruvannamalai. Annamalayar Temple is a famous religious spot for Shaivites. The temple complex covers a huge area and is known in the country of its giant size and lofty heights. The temple has been the inspiration behind many Tamil religious scriptures. Annamalayar Temple has 4 gateway towers known as Gopurams. The construction of the temple mainly took place during the days of Chola rulers and was later renovated by the rulers of the Saluva and Tuluva dynasty. The temple witnesses 5 rituals in a day, and if you want to see the most happening side of this temple, then you should come here during Karthigai Deepam festival. Jambukeshwara Temple, Trichy, Tamil Nadu, popularly known as Tiruvanika Kaval or Jambukeshwar Temple. Jambukeshwar is the Shiva Shrinin is Sri Ranganam, Iceland of Tamil Nadu. It's one of the 5 temples that constituent Panchabhuta Sthalam. Shiva is worshipped here with the consort Parvati, who is known as Akhilendeshwari. The main attraction of this temple in the Shiva Lingam that spout non-stop trickles of water. Built around the 2nd century AD, the temple is perfect example of Dravidian style architecture. For people who would love to explore historical elements, the temple contains inscription from the Chola periods. Tarkeshwar Temple, West Bengal. Associated with hundreds of deep-rooted religious beliefs of the Hindu devotees of West Bengal, Tarkeshwar is located in Hooghly district. The presiding deity of the temple is Shiva, who is believed to be the rescuer of all religious souls. It is believed that the actual lingam which is worshipped in the temple was found in a jungle by the Mendict brother of Raja Vishnudas. The temple as is visible today was built by Raja Vishnudas, who was instructed in his dreams by Lord Shiva to build it. It is believed that people who do fast in this temple without taking even water surely get their wish fulfilled by Taraknath. Murudeshwara Temple, Karnataka. The temple of Murudeshwara is located in Bhatkal Taluk of Uttara Kannada district of Karnataka. Located at a hilltop which is surrounded by the water of the Arabian Sea, the temple is 20-storied building. The temple houses the 2nd tallest statue of Lord Shiva in the world, which spreads an enigmatic aura in the evening during sunset. The statue is around 37 meters tall, and it is estimated that it took around 2 years to build the statue. Vadakunathan Temple, Kerala. Located in Thrissur city of Kerala, the temple of Vadukunathan is a popular Shiva temple in South India. Lord Shiva is known here as Vadukunathan. It is believed that the temple of Vadukunathan is the first temple to be built by Lord Parshurama. The idol of Lord Shiva is worshipped here every day by offering a huge amount of ghee. As a result, today the devotees can see here a huge mound of ghee instead of a proper lingam. The ghee that is used for daily abhishekam of Lord Shiva is later given to the devotees to take back home as prasadam. Bhavnath Mahadev Temple, a temple that takes you on a tour of ancient India. Bhavnath Mahadev Temple is located in Junagadh district of Gujarat. Located at the base of Girnar Hills, the temple is a revered pilgrimage spot of Hindus as well as Jains. The best attraction of this temple is Bhavnath Fair that is mostly held in the month of January and February. Try being a part of his festival and you will be blessed with the presence of Naga Sadhus. Sri Kalahasti Temple, Andhra Pradesh, associated with the myth of Kanappa's sacrifice of the eye. Sri Kalahasti Temple is located in Chittor district of Andhra Pradesh. The temple is considered amongst the Panchabhuta sthals and Lord Shiva is worshipped here as a Kalahastis Vara. The temple was constructed in the 12th century by Chola and Vijayagara kings. The temple is considered as the Kailash for the south. The white lingam worshipped in this temple is considered to be Swayambhu or self-manifested lingam. Chittambaram Nataraja Temple, Tamil Nadu, located in Chittambaram town of Tamil Nadu. Chittambaram Natarajan Temple is an artistically enriched shrine dedicated to Lord Shiva. The literal meaning of Chidambaram is the sky of consciousness and refer to a very deep concept of Hindu beliefs. The temple is also known as Thilai Nataraja Temple and considered as one of the Panchabhuta Sthalams. The presiding deity of the temple is Nataraja Shiva or Thilai Kotan. The temple has been renovated by the dynasties like Pallava, Chola, Pandya, Vijayanagara and Chera from time to time and thus gives a brief idea about the architectural development happened during their regions. Kedarnath Mandir, Uttarakhand, located on the Garhwal Himalaya range of Uttarakhand near Mandakini river. Kedarnath temple is a highly esteemed Shiva temple for Hindus across the world. Perched at a height of around 3,583 meters, this Shiva shrine is counted among the 4 destinations of Char Dham Yatra of Uttarakhand along with the Yamunotri, Gangotri and Badrinath. Kedarnath is also one of the 5 temples constituting the Panch Kedar and is located in Devbhoomi, Uttarakhand. Due to its high elevation, the temple receives high snowfall in winter and remains open from April end till mid-November. Somnath Mandir, Gujarat. This historical temple of Somnath is located in the Prabhas Shastra near Veraval in Saurashtra. It is one of the 12 Jyotirlinga temple dedicated to Lord Shiva and gains prestigious position among the Hindus. The temple has been a witness of severe historical incidents and has been ruined by foreign invaders of its exclusive repository of gems and jewelries. The recent temple of Somnath was reconstructed in 1947. The temple has constructed in Chalukya style of architecture and built just next to the sea offshore. The eye-catching part of the temple is an arrow pillar known as Bansthamb. Thank you for watching the video. Keep watching videos of our channel like this and please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.